Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at 5 of the best verified resume apps for iPhones. The first on our list is Kick Resume, which is an AI resume builder. This app offers over 40 plus expertly designed templates, AI-powered resume writing, and a vast library of pre-written job-specific phrases. It is free to use, but has a premium feature starting at $7 per month. Number 2, we have Resume Star, which is a pro CV maker. This app provides a simple and efficient way to create a professional resume. It features a precision, targeted, and professionally typeset resume builder with a unique pay what you want pricing model. Next on our list is Canva. Canva for design, photo, and video. While it is not exclusively a resume app, Canva offers a wide range of creative templates and design tools. It is free to use with premium features starting at $12.99 per month. Next, we have Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Word mobile app offers a range of resume templates and formats as well as syncing capabilities with your computer. It is free to download with a subscription required for features, starting at $6.99 per month. Next, we have Resume Builder, PDF resume app. This app provides a simple and easy-to-use interface for creating a professional resume. It offers a range of templates and customization options, and it is free to download. These apps are all highly rated and can help you create a professional-looking resume on your iPhone.